In this video, we will be talking about the best AI tools available for smartphone users besides Siri, Google Assistant, and Bixby. Also, we will not only be discussing the best AI tools, but also showing you how to use each of them effectively. Let's take a look at some of the best AI tools available for smartphone users. First up, we have Hiku. This AI tool is a smart shopping list that helps you keep track of your grocery items and reminds you what to buy next time you go to the store. To use Hiku, simply download the app, sign up, and start adding items to your shopping list by scanning barcodes, dictating, or typing. Next, we have Robin AI. This virtual assistant helps you manage your day-to-day tasks, schedules, and reminders, making it the perfect personal assistant for busy individuals. To use Robin AI, simply download the app, sign up, and start adding tasks and events to your calendar. You can also set reminders and delegate tasks to Robin AI, and it will take care of the rest. Another great AI tool is Jarvis. This virtual assistant uses machine learning to help you manage your finances, keep track of your expenses, and even help you save money. To use Jarvis, simply download the app, sign up, and connect it to your bank account. Then, start tracking your expenses, set budget goals, and watch as Jarvis helps you achieve your financial goals. If you're looking for an AI tool to help you stay healthy and fit, look no further than MyFitnessPal. This app uses AI to track your food intake, exercise routines, and provides personalized recommendations for a healthy lifestyle. To use MyFitnessPal, simply download the app, sign up, and start logging your food and exercise. The app will then use AI to create a personalized meal and exercise plan for you. Finally, we have Replika. This AI tool uses machine learning to create a personalized AI companion that learns about you and helps you with anything from stress relief to personal growth. To use Replika, simply download the app, sign up, and start chatting with your AI companion. The more you chat with Replika, the more it will learn about you, and the better it will be at helping you achieve your goals.